Hello everyone, welcome to Exams A to Z. This is Umamaheshwar. So today we are going to discuss 6th March first shift questions. So mostly 80% of the shift is simple, and just the remaining 20% just you have to do little calculations. So mostly this shift is easy. So if you spend enough time, just like 20 minutes, 22 minutes, you can do this shift. So let's look at these questions. A metallic sphere of diameter 40 centimeter is melted into smaller spheres of radius 0.5 centimeters. So how many such spheres, such small balls can be made? Now see, the diameter of the larger one is 20, therefore I can say the radius is, diameter is 40, radius is 20. This is R1 and R2 is equals to the smaller one, that is 0.5, which is 1 by 2. So number of spheres is volume of the larger sphere by the volume of the smaller sphere. Volume of the larger becomes 4 by 3 pi r cube, by smaller becomes again same thing 4 by 3 pi r cube. So I am taking in place of larger, I am taking it as r1 cube, that is 20 cube, by r2 cube, that is 1 by 2 whole cube. So 20 cube is 8000, 1 by 2 whole cube is 1 by 8. Therefore it becomes 8 into 8000, 64,000 it is. Next one, A, B, C can individually complete a task in 24 days, 20 days and 18 days. So A, B, C individually 24, 20, 18 days. The LCM of this is 360. So 1 day work. This is 15, this is 18 and that is 20. B and C start the task and they work for 6 days and leave. So B and C. So let B and C, that is 38. They work for 6 days and leave. Then after that A will come and A will take how many days to complete the total work. So 15T is equals to, you common 6. 60 will be taken out. 60 minus 38. Therefore 15T is equals to 6 into 22. So 3 2s are, 3 5s are. T is equals to 44 by 5, which is equals to 8 4 by 5 days. Next, what will be the difference in the compound interest on a sum of 7,800, 8% for 1 year when the interest is paid yearly and half yearly? Yearly means it is 8%, half yearly means it is 4% followed by 4%. 4% followed by 4% is 8.16%, therefore the difference is 0.16%. That is 0.16 into 7,800. 2 zeros anyway cancel. Therefore, first find it out, 78 into 16. 78, 16, 16 8s are 128. 16 7s are 112 plus 2, 124. Therefore, it is 12.48 rupees. The next one. A student takes 1.5 hours, 1.25 hours to travel from home to school at a speed of 4 km per hour. By what percentage should he increase the speed to reduce the time by 25%? So time reduced by 25% means time is 3 by 4. Therefore speed must be 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means 1/3 increase, that is 33 1 by 3 percentage increase. So we know 25% decrease is nothing but 33 1 by 3% increase. That's standard one. Plus means minus, minus means plus. Into means division, division means into. Then the value of this he is asking you. So look at the expression. So 30 into means division. So 30 divided by 5 is 6, plus means minus. 8 divided by 6, that means 14. And again divided by means into. Then 2 by 3 into 18, that is 3 1s are 3 6s are, so it is 18. So it is 12. Minus means plus, again divided by means into, that is 8. So in the numerator you have minus 8 into 5 minus 40. In the denominator you have 20. So the answer is minus 2 there. Next, the number 687x29 is divisible by 9 means. So wherever the sum is 9 you can cancel it. 7 and 2 9 you can cancel it. 8 and 1 you can cancel. Remaining is 5. Therefore x is 4. He is asking you 2x, that is 8. So don't rush to the answer. So look at what he is asking. He is asking you 2x. Next, the population of the city is increased by 30% in the first year. Let it be x initially. 30% in the first year is 13 by 10, decreased by 15%. That is 15 is 3 by 20, decrease means 17 by 20. Now it became 11,050. First let me cancel in 13 table. I can say 13 8s are 104, 13 5s are 17 1s are 17 50s are 20 into 50 is 1000. X is equals to 10,000. So 2 years before it was 10,000. Next, a sum of 1180 is to be divided among A, B, C such that 2 times of A's share, 2 times of A's share is equals to 5 times of B share is equals to 7 times of C share. So I can say A is to B is to C is 1 by 5 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 7. Let's multiply it with 70. Therefore, you get 35 is to 14 is to 10. Therefore, you want A share, that is 35 parts, by overall. So 49 plus 10 59 into 1180. So it is 2s. Therefore, 35 2s are 70, 10 extra. So it is 700 rupees. Next, if 2 sin A plus cosecant A is equals to 2 root 2. When root 2 is involved, let's substitute A is equals to 45 and check it. If I substitute it as 45, 2 by 2 root 2, 2 by root 2 plus root 2. Therefore, it becomes root 2 only. Therefore, it is 2 root 2. Therefore, I can substitute A is equals to 45 for sure. Now, 2 into sine square 45, that is 1 by 2. That's whole square of it again because it is sine to the power of 4a. It is 1 by root 2 whole to the power of 4. It's 1 by 4 plus again 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 is just 1. So the answer is 1. Next, the value of. So if something x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0, then I can say x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. If I equate everything equal to 0, a plus b equal to 2, b plus c is equals to 5, c plus a is equals to 5 again. We can combine everything, then I can say 2 into a plus b plus c is equals to 12, then a plus b plus c is equals to 6. Let's find out what is the value of a, b, c. What is missing in the c is missing, therefore c is 4. A is missing, that is a is 1, b is missing, b is 1. So c is 4, a and b are 1 and 1. So a and b are 1 and 1. So 1 plus 4 to the power of 1. Again, c is 4, 4 plus 1 to the power of 1 minus 1. 5 power 1 plus 5 power 1, that is 10 minus 1. Root of 9 is nothing but 3 here. Area of an equilateral triangle. We know equilateral triangle area is root 3 by 4 a square, which is equals to 36 root 3. Anyway, root 3 cancel. A is equals to root under 36 into 4, that is 6 into 2, 12. So the perimeter is asking you. Perimeter is 3 times of the side, that is 12 into 3, 36 centimeter. That's a silly one. Next. A circular disc of area 0.64 pi. Pi r square. If r square is 0.64, then I can say r is equals to 0.8. So rolls down a length of, so it's traveled a length of 1408 meters. The number of revolution, one revolution is 2 pi r. So 1408 by 2 pi r, if you do 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.8, I can say 8 by 10. Now cancel it in 11 table. 11 2s are. Now 11 1s are. 11 2s are. 8s are. So you have 2 into 2 into 8, that is 32. 32 4s are. Now everything goes up. 4 into 7 into 10. 28 into 10 is 280 revolutions it did. For one revolution it is 2 pi r. So in order to cover 2408, it must be 2408 by divided by the length of one revolution. You will get the number of revolutions there. Next. X cos a minus y sin a is equals to 1. X sin a plus y cos a is equals to 4. It is like a and b. We know x square plus y square is equals to a square plus b square. In place of a square plus b square, we have 1 and 4. Therefore, 1 square plus 4 square is 17. You common 17 from this. X square plus y square is also 17. 17 is 289 there. Now you have 3 power a, 3 power 3b, 4c. Let it be ABC is equals to 1 4 4. then the value of these things asked. Now you can say A is equals to 3B is equals to 4C. Let it be K. Then A is equals to K, B is equals to K by 3, C is equals to K by 4 is equals to 144. K cube is equals to 12 cube, K is equals to 12. If K is 12, A becomes 12, B becomes 4, C becomes 3. Now this substitute in that 12 by A, 6 by B, 12 by 5C. So substitute in it, so you'll get 12, so 1. So if you substitute B is equals to 4, then it is 3 by 2. 3 means 4 by 5. Therefore 10 is LCM. 10 plus 15 plus 4, 33 by 10 is the answer. Next, an article was sold at a gain of 18%. If it had been sold for 49 more, then the gain would have been 25. From 18 to 25, 7% increase is 49. Therefore 1% is 7. Therefore 100%, the cost value is simply 700 rupees. That's again a silly one. Next, A plus B plus C is equals to 9, AB plus BC plus CA is equals to minus 22. If it is P and Q, we have discussed it earlier. This value is P into P square minus 3Q is the direct formula. That is 9 into 81 plus 66, because minus and minus it becomes plus. So 9 into 147. 9 sevens are 63, 6. 9 fours are 36 plus this one 42. 9 ones are. So you have 9 plus 4, 130. 13. So 1323 is your answer there. Next, a shopkeeper makes the price of an article in such a way that after allowing a discount of 22%, he gains 11%. Marked price is 888. We know marked price by cost price is equals to 100 plus profit by 100 minus discount, 78. So 1s are 8s are. Therefore 78 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 7 is 56 plus 6. 62 rupees. So 624. ABC is an equilateral triangle. PQR are the midpoints of the sides of AB, BC, CA. According to the midpoint theorem, we can say side joining by the midpoints is half of the third side. It's an equilateral triangle with the side 8. Therefore, this becomes 4, 4, 4. So the area of PQR, it's also an equilateral triangle with the side 4. Then you can say root 3 by 4 A square. 4, 4 cancel. Answer is 4 root 3 there. Next, an average of marks of 30 boys is 88. When 2 scores were excluded, the average marks reduced to 87.5. So let's take that's 2 members, their average is X. Remaining 28 members, the average became 87.5. Overall average is 88. It's a grouping method. So what we are doing is 2 into difference between these two, X minus 88 is equals to 28 into 0.5 is 1 by 2. Therefore 2 1s are 2 14s are. Again 2 1s are 2 7s are. X is equals to, you have 95 is the average of the two numbers. He said if the top two scores differ by 2. So we know the average is 95. They differ by 2 means one is less than 95 by 1. Another one is more than 95 by 1. So one is less, another is more. Therefore the difference is 2. So the greatest of it or the highest of it is 96. The lowest, if they would have asked you, then the answer would have been 94. Now, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with the center O from an external point P. So as usual it is from P and PA and PB, and this is point O. So let it be PAB. This is point O is the center. So he said OAB. So this one is 30 degrees. Then he is asking you PAB. So we know if it is 30, this is 90, therefore this is 60. Remaining is also 60. As we know, these two triangles, that is POAP and OBP, these two are congruent. If it is 60, this is also 60. Now we know this is 90. So if it is 60 means this is 30 degrees. Therefore this is also 30. Therefore APB becomes 60 degrees here. So it is simply 180 minus theta. If it is 120, then therefore it will be 60 here. Next, sin 40 by cos 50. this becomes 1, this becomes 1, this becomes 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 4, that is 2 minus 4 is equals to minus 2. The following table, the production of various crops in tons, is given from 2015 to 2019. Study the table and answer the questions that follow. They have given years and rice, wheat, sugarcane, barley and maize. The highest growth of sugarcane production over its previous years is recorded in a year. So he's asking you over the previous year which is the greatest growth. Now look at from 2015 to 16. It's 12% growth. By looking at, we can say 120 over 1000. Now this is just 130, but it is over 1120. Definitely it is less than this. Now this is not even 100. This is not even 100. So just 125, but it is over 1325. So you can say the greatest growth occurred in between 2015 to 2016, which means from 2000, which previous year? 2015. Therefore, in 2016, it increased more when it compared to the previous year. So the answer is 2016. By looking at it, you can say mostly. Now he's asking you the difference between the average production of barley and average production of rice. So first you have to actually, if you go by the question, you have to find out the average production of barley and then rice. Then you have to find out the difference. But you can also find out the difference first. Barley and rice, you just find out the difference between them. So rice is here and barley is here. The difference is, you can say 560. Then after you have 305. Then you can say 115. Then you can say 0. Then after you can say 175. Add them. So this you can say 60 plus 5, 15 plus 75 is 90, plus 61, 150 plus 5, 155. Then after you have 500, 300, 1000, 1100. So 1155. Because you know this is 1000, then 155. It is 1155 divided by 5, you do it. So it's 2, 3, 1. So 231. So what we are doing is, he asks you the difference of the averages, but what we are doing is, first we are taking the differences, then we are finding the average of it. Both of them are same. Next, the average production of wheat in the period given in the table. If you take wheat, that is 2500. Then after, if you add up these two, this is 7700. Now 2500 plus 4500 is 7000. This is 3300. So I can say 11,000 plus 7,000 is 18,000 by 5. Do it into 2 by 2. So it becomes 36,000 by 10. So it is 3,600 is the average. The next. The percent growth of maize in the year 2019 over the 2015 is, so correct to 1 decimal places. So maize, if you look at, it was in 2004, it is 490. Now it became in 2090 is 840. So cancel it in 7 table, 7700 anyway cancel. 7 7s are 7 12s. So that is 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is 71% nearly. So the answer is 71.43. And guys, we are happy to announce that we are starting APPSC Group 2 online test series also. So you can follow these details and you can just take the screenshot of this. So see here, you have the entire information here. We are going to conduct 34 tests. Each test you'll have 150 questions. The total number of questions will be 5100. And the fee is also not much, I guess. It is just 999 rupees. So this is only going to be up to April 30. So after April 30, you have to pay 1499 for this. So avail this offer. If anyone is interested in Group 2, please, you can call these numbers, and these are the Phone Pay and Google Pay numbers. So the contact number is also given. That is 911362319199. So you can call to that number for the further details. Thank you.